How to add sheets in Slack. Need to share a Google Sheet with your team in Slack? Here's the easiest way to do it. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Google Sheet into a new tab. So from here, go ahead and click on the share icon at the top right, and then make sure to set this to anyone with a link, and then click on this copy link icon, head back to Slack, and then paste the sheet link into the message box and send it. Now this will pop on your screen, so make sure to click on this yes install button. From here, make sure to select allow, refresh your conversation on Slack. You'd be able to find the preview of the Google Sheet link you sent over on the conversation. So anyone on the channel can simply open this from Slack, so they can also have a preview of how this looks like on Slack. And that is how to add sheets in Slack.